Now what we have for DEPR and DSIM. We have studied that we have three different exams for RBI Grade B General, RBI DEPR, RBI DSIM. So now I will tell you what it is here for DEPR and DSIM. Now, if I start with DEPR first, okay. So you will have two phases. Phase 1 like objective type of economics, and then English you have, that is descriptive type with the keyboard 120 minutes, 120 minutes, and maximum marks is 100, 100, 200. Okay, 1 hour done. Sorry, 2 hour, 2 hour, because 60, 60, 20 minutes. Okay. So paper 1 descriptive type again and descriptive type. Now what you have to study, candidate have to secure minimum aggregate marks in paper 1 of 2 of phase 1 will be shortlisted for phase 2. This is what. In phase 2, paper 1 or paper 2 descriptive type will be conducted on October 26. For this year it is being given this one. So it generally happens from this October only, irrespective of any unforeseen circumstances happen. If paper 1 or paper 2 and phase 2 paper 1 or paper 2 descriptive type will be intimated to the candidates concerned. So what is there on the syllabus? Paper 1 objective type like macroeconomics, you have all the things which are topic, be it demand, be it supply, be it market, everything is there. Okay. Then you have macroeconomics like theory of employment, output, inflation, monetary economics, ISLM model, schools of economic thought. You have international economics, you have theory of economic growth and development, you have public finance, you have environmental economics, you have quantitative methods in economics like mathematical economics. For this you have what? Mathematical eco, stat and econometrics. Okay. And Indian economy, like everything, growth, inflation, poverty, unemployment, financial sector you have. On paper 2 you have descriptive type on English, like everything you have. Now for phase 2 what you have? Descriptive type on economics like consumer theory, cardinal, marginal utility, consumer surplus, you have indifference curve analysis, price, income and substitution effect, and game theory. For production theory you have forms of production, function, what is the laws of returns to scale, like it can be increasing, it can be constant, it can be decreasing, right? Partial equilibrium we have versus general equilibrium. Now market theory, like what are the pricing under different circumstances. Different distribution theory and welfare economics like Pareto optimality, schools of welfare thought including Arrow, Post theorem. This is the macroeconomics. Now what we have? National income accounting, like various methods for measurement of national income, theory of employment and output, classical and neoclassical, Keynesian and post-Keynesian, business cycle different. We have inflation, like what are the types of inflation, Phillips curve, Taylor's rule, Lucas critic, money and banking like quantitative theory of money, neutrality of money, ISLM model, aggregate demand, aggregate supply, money multiplier, monetary policy, what are the importance, inflation targeting, what it is there. Now there are certain theories, different theories of economic growth and development, theories of growth, classical and neoclassical, and theories of economic development. So international trade and balance of payment, there are theories of international trade. For public finance you have theory of taxation, theory of public expenditure, theory of public debt management. For quantitative methods in economics, mathematics, what you have? Differentiation, integration, we know that, optimization, set, matrix, linear algebra. This is for phase 2 paper 2, not paper 1. You have statistical methods in economics like measures of central tendency and dispersion, probability, time series and index number. Okay, then you have econometrics. Obviously econometrics is obviously every time an important part for your studies. Okay, and module of Indian economy, a major part. Now the best thing they do is they always give you a suggested reference study material. Like here they have given microeconomics, Kutsuanis you can follow Hollard variant, you can follow Ferguson. For macroeconomics, Dornbus, Fisher, Oliver, or you can follow Brian. For international economics, you can follow Krugman, Dominic Salvato. For public finance, Musgrave is there. For growth and development, Tharwal, Debrach, Roy, one is there. Okay, it's good. Now for phase 2, what you have? Mathematical methods in economics like Simon, Kolpe and Lawrence Bloom, Kevin Van Wright and Alpha Chiang you have. And then you have D.N. Gujarati, Woodridge, that one there. Statistics you have N.G. Das, that is the most used book, and Miller. Indian economy you have Economic Survey, India Development Report, Uma Kapila, RBI annual report, RBI report on trends and progress, monetary policy report, financial stability report. This you have. Now if I come to DSIM, what it will be there for DSIM. So here obviously paper 1 objective type on statistics, paper 2 descriptive type on statistics, and paper 3 English you have 120 minutes, 180 minutes and 90 minutes. So for paper 2 and paper 3 it will be conducted on October 26 only for the candidates who are shortlisted on the basis of result. So the paper 2 and paper 3 examination will be in shifts. Candidates are required to appear for all shifts. Separate admit cards will be issued obviously. Now for paper 1 you have questions which will cover probability, definition of probability, standard distribution, large and small sample theory, ANOVA, estimation, testing of hypothesis, and question will cover probability, sampling, linear model, statistical inference, testing of hypothesis and non-parametric test. You know parametric and non-parametric tests like t-test, chow test, every type of test you have. Theory of probability like axiomatic, classical, Bayes theorem, everything you need to study. Sampling theory, different type of stratified, systematic, cluster, probability, proportional to ratio estimate, regression analysis. Now linear model again it goes for the econometrics part here. It's the same like econometrics, okay. Econometrics. That one. Y on X, box plot, square root, log, and everything is there. Definition and construction, statistical inference you have like MVUE, Rao, Blackwell and Lehman's Skiff theorem, methods of estimation like moments, method of maximum likelihood estimate, methods of least square, all those things are there. You have principle of test of significance, like what is type 1 error, like you are accepting the false hypothesis and you are rejecting the true hypothesis, all those type 1, type 2 error. Then you have Kolmogorov, Smear, Knopf test, sign test and all those things. You have stochastic process also, and econometrics and time series it is there. Okay, now inference with non-stationary models like ARIMA model, determination of the order of integration, trend stationarity and different stationary processes are there. Okay, data science part is also there a little bit, like introduction to supervised and unsupervised pattern classification, unsupervised and reinforcement learning, and then you have bagging and boosting, unsupervised classification. Now what are the paper which are being suggested? Rohatagi, Gun, Gupta, Dash Gupta you can do, Shukname, S.G. Gupta you can do here also for fundamental of mathematical statistics. For linear model, Hole, Mood, Allen you can do. For statistical inference, Calais, Rao, Bertozinski, Gibbon you can do. Bhatt, Prabhu and Mehdi you can do for this one. And statistical computing. So obviously the manner of conduct which I have already told you, like September the pattern, it happens every time. Okay. So this is the pattern, the exam pattern for RBI DEPR and RBI DS